Hello and welcome to another guitar lesson. Today you will be learning how the main rhythm on the song Nzombe Huru was played. To those who don't know, this song was recorded by Nicholas Zacharia and Kiama Boys. Let's begin. Okay, so this rhythm is in the key of D major, and the chords we're going to be using is D major, G major, back to D major, A major. So it's if you watch the previous videos, I was showing the main two shapes that we use. So if you watch that video, I think it's going to be helpful because still we continue with the same shapes that are used in Sungura, which is this one. This is the first one, the C shape. And then we have this. So our first half is, so we hold our normal, like let's say for example if we are holding a bar chord of C, so finger number 1 is gonna hold string number 1 and 2 on fret number 10. So if you are holding a guitar right now, yeah, we can move together. So your finger number 1, you put it on fret number 10. Start with string number 1, go to string number 2. String number 3, you're gonna hold the 11th fret. And then string number 4, you're gonna put your third finger on string fret number 12. So it's 10, 10, 11, 12. So this is where our rhythm begins. Then the next shape, finger number 1 is gonna go on fret number 7 and put a flat. But you're only gonna play string number 1 for now. So it's string number 1 on fret number 7. String number 4, you hold fret number 9. And then play string number 3 on fret number 7. String number 2 on fret number 8. And your fourth finger or your pinky finger on fret number 10, string number 5. So I'll start again. This second shape, it's string number 1 on fret number 7, your finger number 3 on fret number 9. And then you put your second finger on string number, now you can play with your finger number 1, you can still play string number 3 on fret 7. So it's 7, string number 1, string number 4, 9, string number 3, 7. And then string number 2, you play 8. And then you finish on string number 5 on fret number 10. So it's so this is our first half. So let's join with what we first learned. So on the key of D, 10, 10, 11, 12, 7, 9, 7, 8. 10, 10, 11, 12, 7, 9, 7, 8. So the second half is so string number 1 is gonna hold string number 1 on fret number 7. You quickly move to do a flat on the fret number 12, but you start on string number 3 and you go to string number 2. So it's 7 on 1, and then on string number 2 and 3 you go on fret number 12. You hold your C, but you only play string number 2 on fret number 10 and string number 3 on fret number. Okay, so on the second half is like this. So you go on first string, the E string, fret number 7, you play string number 1, you put a flat on fret number 12 and play string number 3 and string number 2, and then you hold your C. String number 1 is gonna play string number 10 on string number 2, fret number 10, and string number 3 on 11, fret number 11. So it's then you hold 9 fret number 9 on string number 1, string number 4 11, string number 3 9, string number 2 10, and then you finish on string number 5, fret number 12. Okay, so now let's join first half and the second half. So it's gonna be like okay, so now let's put a little bit of bass when we play. Easiest way to see sungura, since the most used chord progression is 1-4-1-5. Once you find the key of the song, then it will be easy. So in this case, the key of the song is in D major. This is the key of the song. Just practice using that chord progression. Anything you can just alternate the way you feel like you can, but the progression must be the same 1-4-1-5. You can go like you can go same chord progression, or you can go like same chord progression, or same chord progression, or you can go like same chord progression. So let's go back to this one. video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And please, if you've not already subscribed and watching, please go and subscribe, because more stuff is coming your way. You're gonna miss some of the most important things on Sokora. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.